Hello and welcome to the Sequential Scotland walkthrough from Glasgow Queen Street train station up to the DoubleTree by Hilton on Cambridge Street. There are several entrances. The lift to the main one was just there, but we are going to go through the side entrance as it is closer. As we come through the exit here on the right hand side, you can see one of the entrances to the Buchanan Street subway station, and we're going to go straight ahead and go down this more narrow street just ahead. As you'll see on this video, many of the streets in Glasgow are a little bit worn and uneven, so just be careful with the differences in pavement as you make your way up to the venue. Here we're coming out onto Buchanan Street. It's one of the main shopping streets in Glasgow, and you'll find cafes, shops, cash points. Here is the other entrance to the Buchanan Street subway station. And we're just going to walk up Buchanan Street until we get up to the corner with Sauchiehall Street and turn left to follow Sauchiehall Street for a little bit. This is us now at the corner where Buchanan Street merges onto Sauchiehall Street, and we're just going to turn left and follow it round. Once we get to this corner, we are going to turn right and follow the path up for a little bit. Once we get to the traffic lights up at the top, I will show you where the Buchanan bus station is, where you can get lots of buses and taxis from as well. So now we are up at the crossing. There is Buchanan bus station. You would just come out through the entrance next to the Greggs. And this junction here, we're going to do a diagonal and cross over. And then we will be walking up Renfrew Street. Once we have crossed the road here, the path then becomes cobbles, so it's a little bit more uneven. There are also some other obstacles like bollards, bus stops, bins, adverts, that kind of thing. And now that we've come up to this corner, we are going to turn right. And here you can see we are just arriving at the entrance to the DoubleTree by Hilton. There is a slight incline up to 2 sets of automatic doors. Once you're in the lobby, there will be the reception desk on your right hand side, and just past that, again on the right, there is another corridor that will take you through to the convention. There will be signs up on the day pointing you in the right direction.